Hey guys, what is up? This is Nick here, and we're gonna be making a microwave slash cooler out of a cereal box. I have one already made. It's a finished product. It's gonna look like. I mean, it's pretty cold right now because I have drinks in there. Just kept it on my bed. But yeah. So the tools I'm gonna be using, since I don't have a knife with me right now, I'm gonna be using one of these flatheads that I use for my two computers over there and my computer in the basement. Me and my brother have been doing stuff with them, like switching them, like upgrading them, stuff like that. You know, making my computer, the computers better, so I could run and play games with good quality for you guys. So yeah, let's get started with this. So you want to get the cereal box first, then I wish I had a holster for this, but alright, get the cereal box. Oh, if you guys don't know how to work one of these, you have to slide this up all the way and just pull it out. But when you first get it, there's going to be stuff in the holes, and you want to pop them out. Alright, but we're going to be using this one. Oh, a little bit. I could just. Alright. So let me just put this on. This here on. And then we're gonna start making the incision. Or cut, whatever you wanna call it. Fuck. Isn't staying on though. So you want to go from corner down. Oh, it's gonna be sharp enough. Go. Alright, so we got one side done. That straight cut. Now we're gonna be cutting this side. Just lost it. Alright. Jeez, what the hell? Technical difficulties. Fuck. As you can see, it's completely in here. What do I have? I have nail clippers. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'll just pull it up, I guess. Never had a problem with this. Fucking God. Sorry about this, guys. Alright, looks like I'm just gonna push it in further. Take it out this way. Yes. Alright, let's go. I got it. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, let's get back to it. Now we're gonna be cutting here. Alright. We want to try to make these cuts as straight as possible. But again, in a survival situation, that's not gonna matter. Don't worry about that. Just tape that up. Jeez, why is this so annoying? Yeah, so almost done this side. It's a little bit annoying. Cut it too short, alright, and then that a little bit, alright. We're gonna go round and down. There we go. Now with the straight pull down. Alright, so this is basically one of the finishing products of it. This is like some of it. This is what you're gonna get right after you cut it and everything. This, don't worry about it, just fuck it. I mean, it's not really that important, I guess. Probably is. But I don't know. I don't care. Probably just do a little tape job right here, right here, and I just realized I don't have any of the plastic wrap up here. Not the plastic, the tin foil or tape. I mean, I do have the tape. I have my survival bag here somewhere. There it is. All right. I don't want to use the medical tape, but that's where I'm leaning towards right now. But whatever. I'll just use this, my U.S. Army tape. Actually, no. I should have cheap ass tape. There it is. Alright, so I'm gonna be using this roll of tape. Like, see, this, you don't really need to do what I did with this one. This is just because I wanted this to be like waterproof too, so I could make it as a cooler and a heater, which it like holds the heat in. This you can just keep as like this with just tin foil over here, just to keep it warm. But yeah. Second, tape up. Alright, so alright, so I got the tape. I'm just gonna tape this side with the one long shot. Sorry, I need to use both of my hands for this. This one. That's basically what I just did. It's taped right there. Okay, let me just pull it off. Close it. Boom. Done. Now I can do the top one part of it. So gonna go half on this side. Let's get this up just right. And that. And over a little bit. Oh, there we go. So basically, yeah, I just repaired it a little bit. See? Go down. It works. And now all I have to do is put tinfoil on. This takes like not even how long this video is, just because I'm doing this for like one hand sort of. Like, and I have to repair it a little bit, but this usually would take around like, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe, 8. If you did this really fast, and if you had a knife, you might just using this. This be one cut here, another cut there, you'll be done. So yeah, and the way that I put the tinfoil in is I just laid it all in. I like rolled it down over here. I pushed down on it. No, I went like this way. I went this way first, laid it out, and just pushed down on it. And then I just did this part downwards. I went down like that. Alright guys, well, I don't want to take, like, I don't want to leave this going, but yeah, I'm gonna, look at that, you can see the fan coming off of it. Just keep looking. I'll be right back. I don't want to pause it, but alright, be right back.